Ako po si Earl, DTF operator dito sa Felix Huertas Manila office. Ito po ay ginamit ng 3 days na may 105 meters na run. Ito po yung print head area. Damper. Capping na 90% good condition pa. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ayun po, buo naman po siya. Ito naman po yung ink system. Tama naman ang label. Okay naman yung ink level. Ito naman po yung waste tank. Nirespose naman last Saturday. Ito naman po yung stock namin ng CMYK ink. Yung white ink. Tsaka powder. Ito naman po yung consumables withdrawal. Daily output recording. At yung weekly physical inventory report. At ito naman yung monthly maintenance checklist. Yun lang po, salamat.